Hi all, in continuation to our previous video, Foundation of Excel Formulas, today we will learn how to clean the data that has been extracted from some other sources or copy and paste from that source. So this kind of data has some problem in it like space, non-printable character and non-breaking spaces, etc. So first of all we clean them, and only after that we will use different kind of function of Excel. If you not clean the data and apply any kind of function, then definitely it will give the incorrect output. So here we have some data, you can say it is sample data, and here we have some space that is more than one in all these four entries, and this kind of space may be due to the normal space or maybe indent space that is done by the Excel. Here we have some other entries, and you can see the different kind of character over here. These are non-printable character, and this can be defined by the character 12 and character 15. This is the standard of the Excel, we will let you know later on. And in last two entry we have another spaces, you can see just before the A and here after the S. Here it is, after S there is a space. This is not the normal space, but it is a non-breaking space and defined by the character 160. Here you can see CHAR 160. So it will give the this kind of character. If you copy and paste it special, here you can check there is a space. So you cannot see it, but here you can find it. So this is a kind of space that is non-breaking space due to the character 160 error. These are the basic data, and here is the final outcome we want from this data, and we use different function of Excel to convert this data in this format. Here we have applied some formula to check whether this data has been converted to this format or not. So this column will check, we press F2 here, so exactly it will check whether this data G35 with C35 means the final outcome will be checked by the in raw data. So in all the entry we can see the false because no data has been symmetrical to the raw data. So now we will convert it to so that we can get the answer as a true, and same this data will matching this data with the D column, and this data will matching with this final column. So one by one we pass entry in 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, it will automatically check and give the result as a true. So let's start. Here we have some trial. So first function we will discuss today is the trim function. The function of the trim is to remove unnecessary spaces between the words. So let's start. Equal to trim and just give the reference of cell, nothing else, and close this. Press enter and select all the below cells. Press Ctrl D to apply the formula in all cells, and here we check because this column is working with this column. Here we can see if you press F2, so basically it is checking this value with this value. If the answer is correct, means both the value are same, then it will give the answer true, otherwise it will give the value as a false. So here we can see it has rectified the 4 entry. It means by trim you can correct only these 4 entry where space is the problem. So here you can see false. So this is not a perfect function that can rectify everything, so we remove it. And now we will use another function, that is the clean. Equal to CLEAN. Again just give the reference of cell, nothing else. Press enter, select all the cells and press Ctrl D to apply the formula in all the cells, and here we can check. This time this 3 entry has been rectified, but again rest all are false. So this is not a perfect solution for rectifying all the data. Now we will use the third function, that is substitute. equal to substitute. Basically the substitute function replace some value with other value. So here you can see the text. So first of all we have to give the reference of cell, here it is, then comma. Now alt text, here we have already told you that there are some character 160 code. Just because of that there is a non-breaking space appear over here, so we will rectify it. So we will replace the character 160 with blank. It means if there is some spaces just because of character 160, and it will replace it with the blank, means it remove it, and we close it and press enter, select all the cells and press Ctrl D. This time you can check last two entry has been rectified. So one by one we have rectified all the entries with different kind of formula, but the single formula fails in all the conditions. So what is the solution for that? So instead of applying the single function, we will apply all the function all together. So in this column we will apply all the three function all together. So let's start with equal. So our first work to remove the character 160 error, and then we will remove the non-printable character that are in these cells, and after that we will apply the trim function. So start with trim, bracket start, then clean, after that substitute, start, give the text reference, cell reference, sorry, alt text is character 160 comma blank. If you want, instead of blank you can use any particular characters, like we will give you examples. Instead of blank we are applying here say dash, and close the bracket once more and press enter. Sorry, here is the problem. Enter and press Ctrl D. Now in these two entry you can see we have replaced character 160 with dash, and here is the three spaces which has been changed by the dash, and here is the one space that has been also changed by dash, but in all other entries there is no such problem. So but we don't want to replace it with the dash, instead we want to remove it. So we rectify this formula. Now you can identify there is some space in both this entry, you cannot see right now, but by dash you can guess that it is there. So now we remove dash and press enter, select all the cells, press Ctrl D. Now you can check basically the final correction result. In this column this value has been matched with this value and giving the result. So exact G35 means this value is equal to this value, and this is our final output, and in all the cases it's showing the true. It means if you apply all the function all together, then it will give the required result. You can use as per the requirement of the data. Once you see the data, if you find there is a problem of only spaces, then you can use the trim function, it will remove the unnecessary spaces. And if there is a problem of non-printable character, you can use only clean function. And if you find there are some spaces that are not normal spaces, that is the non-breaking spaces, in that case you have to use character 160 and use the formula substitute. So on the basis of your requirement and the different kind of problem in the data, you have to use different function altogether. Sometimes you have to use only one function, or sometimes you have to use all the function. So hope you have learned lots of things in this video, and this is also a basic requirement before you start applying different functions of Excel, because if you not use it, then definitely your final output will be incorrect. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.